Hello, today we will guide you through how to join two Google Meetings at the same time. To get started, open your web browser and search for Google Meet. From the search results, click on the official Google Meet page. If needed, sign into your Google account so you can access the Meet home screen and all meeting options. Once you are on the Google Meet homepage, look for the New Meeting button and click it. This is where you can start your first session. After that, choose Instant Meeting, or use any meeting option available to join a meeting. The exact option is not especially important here because the goal is simply to get into your first Google Meet room. When you enter the meeting, the first thing you should do is turn off both your microphone and your camera. This is very important when managing two meetings at once because it helps prevent people in either meeting from hearing background audio or seeing that you are active in another call. You can do this by clicking the microphone icon and the camera icon so both are disabled before continuing. Now that you're inside the first meeting with your mic and camera off, keep that same idea in mind for the second meeting as well. The main purpose is to make sure participants in your other meeting cannot hear you or get unintended audio from your side. Next, open the second meeting using the same process. Join that meeting, and again, make sure to turn off both the audio and the camera as soon as you enter. Keeping both meetings muted and with video off gives you more control and helps avoid interruptions, echo, or accidental participation in the wrong meeting. As you move between the two meetings, you can return to the first meeting whenever needed and turn things on or off depending on which meeting you want to actively participate in. This helps you manage your presence more carefully. For example, if you need to speak in one meeting, make sure the other meeting stays muted so no one hears overlapping sound. Finally, click on Highlight. This can help you focus on the meeting content you want to pay attention to more closely. Using this view can make it easier to keep track of the active conversation while switching between meetings. That's the full process. Just remember to stay organized, keep your microphone and camera off unless needed, and double check which meeting you are interacting with before speaking. This will help everything run much more smoothly.